From D&V Mobile Auto Repair and Detailing. This is our first job. We've actually come to do the detailing for a dump truck for one of our clients here in Langley. We've never done a truck before, so this would be an interesting assignment, and we're looking forward to it. As you can see, we have our technician out there. He's starting to clear out the place. Hey Guri, uh, let me just. Can you take a video of the inside of the truck?
Yeah.
So just to give you an idea what the truck it looks like from inside. We're doing this so that we can then maybe take an after video as well to show you what we've done. So we'll be cleaning the inside, the entire truck. It's just dirty. Luckily we don't have any issues like mold and other things. We're going to be cleaning under the seats. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dirt everywhere, but we're going to try and make this new. We'll use the steam cleaners to get all the dirt out, as well as try and get a shine on all those levers and everything else out there. And once we're done, we'll take an after video, and hopefully we'll have another satisfied customer. And this could be another area that we would be servicing. That would be cabs, trucks, and other vehicles which are not the standard vehicles. So we're going to start our job, and my technician Guri is going to be on the job today. We're going to take about 3 or 4 hours, and hopefully once we're done, we'll take another video. Thanks guys. Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto Service as well as Interior Detailing. So this is the semi that we have completed. You can see we have done steam clean the seats, we've done the roofs, and we've done the mats, and the siding was a whole lot of vinyl which had a lot of black stuff which was inside all the vinyl, but took some time, but we were able to clean it all up. So hopefully the customer will like our work. And you can see the doors again. And if you have any requirements for auto detailing needs, including for semis and large trucks, we can take care of it. We come to your location. That seat was actually torn. The customer is going to put a new seat cover, so they've thrown the old one, but that's not our doing, by the way. But if you have any needs, please give us a call. We can come to your location and take care of your needs, auto detailing needs. Phone number is 604-518-6684. Thanks.